Every opportunity here has been a really amazing chance to grow. I realized I really did want to do film more than anything in the world. Being behind the camera, getting to capture what's going on. I just love having the ability to share that kind of voice with people. It's really cathartic for me to get my opinion, my voice out there in the world. Principles of photography. It was really cool getting to work with film photography because it means you just have to be so much more purposeful when you're taking a shot. We have a really cool darkroom in our media production center building, and it really just extended to my approach to filmmaking in general. Last semester, I went all the way to Prague in the Czech Republic. It was just a whole dedicated film program where I worked with 16mm. You have to storyboard and shot list. It really teaches you about how to improvise on set. It was very intense, but I learned a lot on the fly. DC's been great for me as a stepping stone. It is just like the whole city is your campus. I really want to work at a production house, working with equipment and get involved with grips and gaffers and DPs and just find a place where I really fit in.